Hey there, I am Cami, creator of the blog Tidbits at tidbits-cami.com. Now today I have an amazing DIY to share that's gonna save you a ton of money and get you a beautiful custom look that you just can't quite buy out of any box. So with the help of my wonderful Mr. Tidbits, we are going to show you how to make a DIY mirror frame for your bathroom vanity mirror. And I have picked my new favorite wood to show you how awesome it can look and just how easily you can customize this to suit your own style and space. When you are finishing up a bathroom space or perhaps remodeling or updating one, you have a lot of options when it comes to the vanity mirror. Just buying a mirror with a frame is an option, but if you have priced them, they can get expensive and often just come as like a one-size-fits-all. If you want to save some money, or perhaps you have a space that needs a very custom size mirror, which was the case for this bathroom space in our home, making a DIY mirror frame is really a great option. Now with 4 kids getting that will need to share this getting ready area, I wanted a mirror that just filled the entire space of the wall along the long bathroom vanity, and an out-of-the-box mirror was not an option. It really had to be a custom size. So we went to our local glass and mirror shop and had them cut a mirror that was the exact size that we wanted. I can't remember what that cost, but I remember thinking it was very reasonable. We didn't order any kind of special edging or customization since we knew we would be framing it out ourselves, and anything we asked them to add would have added to the cost. So to do this, the hubs first glued that large mirror up on the wall with construction adhesive. And then I stepped back and tried to decide the kind of look that I wanted for the frame. Now I initially thought I wanted a big chunky frame, perhaps like 3 to 4 inches wide, but that just didn't feel right. So rather I embraced the idea of a really slim 1-inch minimalistic frame out of a beautiful piece of dark walnut wood that we just grabbed from Home Depot. So to make the mirror frame, Kevin first used his table saw to cut a 1/4 by 1/4 groove in the corner of the 1-inch squared trim piece. Now this would create the little notches where the trim would rest on the inside of the edge of the mirror. Then he just mitered all of the corners of all the 4 pieces of wood at a 45-degree angle and made sure that they were flush and level with each other. Then he used a nail gun to attach all the corners together with 1-inch nails. So he essentially formed the frame before he would even install it here in the bathroom. Now with the grooves in place at the edges of the mirror, he used his nail gun again and 2-inch nails this time to secure the frame around the mirror where he felt it needed to be secured. So now you can get some wood filler in the wood color that you've chosen to make those nail holes kind of disappear and look more seamless. That's actually something we still need to get and complete to finish this mirror frame. You could also stain or seal the wood, which I am a little torn on if I want to do. I just really love the look of that raw walnut wood, and a sealer would make it more rich and shiny. Where this beautiful wood won't really see a lot of wear and tear, I think I can get away with not sealing it, but I'm going to observe it for a while to see how it handles being washed every now and then. I absolutely love the results of this DIY frame mirror so much. I feel like we can finally add the finishing touches to our kids' bathroom and get this space wrapped up. Now for a relatively quick and easy DIY project, I think this frame made a huge impact to the design of this room. Now I'll just keep working on the space and hopefully get the final reveal out to you soon so you can see how we've created a split bathroom where our kids can shower and do their business while others have room to get ready and like store their bathroom essentials. So far it's working pretty great, and I'll just keep playing with the decor and share very soon. If you're watching this video later, you might want to check my playlist link below so you can see the room reveals for all the completed spaces in our pole barn home that we have built from the ground up. Now I've already shared the reveal of our master bathroom, which is fun to see if you love the marble and gold combo like I do. I'll also be sure to link any tools that we used for this project in the description below, and some of our other favorite DIY projects for you to see. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you came away with plenty of inspiration for do-it-yourself living, and I will talk to you soon.